Hi guys, today I will show you how to open this Sony TV remote control if you have the same model, and this is how you're gonna open. So at the back you remove that cover. I already removed it, and the most important thing, like, you take off the battery, and then the most important thing, there will be a small three screws in there. There are three spots, one, two, and three. So I already took those out, so make sure you take those out. Okay, so once you take it off and use something like small thing, and then you're just gonna hold on, use some any kind of tools that you can work with. just, just pop it out and it should come. Here you go. So that's how you open this. You can take the whole thing out. If you want, you can just clean this. If it's dirty, just clean it. And here's the top cover, and here's the bottom, and that's how you open this remote control. I hope this video will be very useful. Please subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. Okay, thank you guys.